How you can connect Metamask to DEX screener. Click on sign in on the bottom left and then click on connect wallet. Now click on Metamask and you just need to sign in with your Metamask account. If you haven't created, you can click on create a new wallet, then click on I agree and proceed with the creation process. You need to make sure to enter your password, then click on create a new wallet, click on secure my wallet, then you just need to copy or write down this specific seed phrase. After creating your wallet, you can click on next and then click on done. If you haven't downloaded the MetaMask extension, make sure to download, it's much easier. Now to connect, you can go back and click on Retree, and this is going to open up MetaMask where you need to click on connect, and there you have it. The last process will going to be verifying your account, which you can click on send message, and this is going to open up this specific window which you just need to click on confirm, and there you have it. We have successfully connected our MetaMask wallet to our DEX screener.